Today's episode is
Knuckles pulls the fire alarm and gets grounded, and this video has been inspired by ultrasonic films. Enjoy the video.
I'm going to pull fire alarm at school.
Everyone, it's a fire drill. Evacuate the school. My God. You're saved.
It's a prank.
Oh. Knuckles, how dare you pull the fire alarm? That's it, you're suspended for 15 days. Go home now.
Knuckles, how dare you pull the fire alarm? That's it. You're grounded for 1 million years. Go to your room right now.
Wait.
Thanks for watching. I will see you there at the next video.